Hi, Sachin. My name is Daphne. I'm one of the essay correctors here at IELTSpodcast.com. Thank you for sending in your letter for correction. Really good idea to get some feedback before your IELTS exam. Let me know your story. Have you done it before? How have you got on if you have? So feedback and is a really good way to help you improve, and that's what we try and do here. Okay, so you've chosen to do a task one letter. Be very careful here. This is a really nice letter. There's lots of good stuff here, but it's too informal. On these letters, you need to make sure you get the right balance to go with like either a formal letter or an informal letter. This should be neutral, informal. You don't know these people, so it's too friendly to put hi, and this is too friendly as a greeting, as an ending. So you want to put here, dear Mrs. Mary or dear Mrs. Smith. Yeah, you need the proper name. Okay, that's really important. Okay, so that should be your start, and your ending could be kind regards, or best wishes, or kind best regards, something like that. Okay, very important to get the beginning right and the ending right because that is something the examiner will immediately look at. Okay. So hope all is going good with you. Again, this is too informal. You don't know this person. So I would say, I hope you are well. Yeah. I'd be so glad to let you know. I wouldn't say I'm so glad to let you know. I would say I am delighted to let you know. That was how we would actually sort of say it in natural English. So I am delighted to let you know that. Good. That is your correction. As part of my English and Homestay program, I decided to stay with your family in the UK. Good. Please yourself friend Sachin, do my postgrad in teaching here in Dubai. Lovely, that's great. I'm curious to know now how could they possibly I mean it's nice, but how could they possibly know that? I don't even know what the weather's going to be like at the weekend. So ask them a question that they can reasonably answer. So let's get this sort of in the right context. So, as I am visiting in January, which is winter in the UK, could you let me know if it's usually cold? Or could you let me know? Or hang on, let's start with I would be grateful if you could answer a few questions for me. Okay, so that's the way to start this. Okay, I have heard it is cold in January, so should I bring an extra warm coat? Something like that, yeah? So I'd be grateful if you could answer a few questions. That's very useful for all the letters that you do in IELTS. And then this is nice. Should I bring an extra coat? And then you could put will the temperature go below? Yeah. Also, I would like to know what are the essential basic things that I should pack. So yeah. Okay, that's fine. Although, again, it's quite a difficult question for them to answer. I mean, I couldn't tell you that. So think about the context. Think about actually what would you really write in a real letter. And, should I bring my driving license or should I bring special food? That sort of thing. The more you make it real, the easier it is for you as well. But otherwise, on English, that's fine. My travel now, I will be travelling on, or my flight is scheduled on. I'll be boarding a morning Emirates Capital E flight from Dubai. Expect to arrive in Heathrow. Yep. Hope you would be coming. A little bit informal. Okay. It would be fantastic if you could come to the airport and pick me up. Yeah. Just in case, or in case of, yeah, in case, not in case if, in case of any change of plans, do let me know, or please do let me know, so I can arrange my translation accordingly. Okay, that's fine. Then we can have here, a nice friendly, I look forward to meeting you, your family. Then you're going to your best regards. Okay, so I really hope that's helpful for you. You've got lots of good stuff in there. I think the main comment is that it's just getting this balance right of the tone of the letter, so getting it to be neutral rather than too friendly, yet also you need to show the examiner you know all these really great phrases which are very important, and they'll be looking out for that. I want to tell you, since we're here, about the IELTS writing course which we do, which I'm going to send you a link to in a minute. So this course gives you lots and lots of essay practice on task 1 and task 2, guides you really carefully through the task 2, which is very difficult, isn't it? All the areas, the task achievement, the coherence, the grammar and the vocabulary that you need for the task 2 and for the task 1s. Gives you practice doing both of them with a series of corrections like this one. And a lot of our students get some great results doing that. So have a look at that. I think you might find that really helpful if you need some practice and you'd like to invest in some really helpful tuition. But thank you for sending that in, and good luck.